Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use timer and grid on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on this plus icon here, and here you'll find the timer, so tap on that. Tap on capture. Here you can see the countdown has been started. So after tapping on capture icon, the photo will be captured after 3 seconds. So that's how we can use timer. And to use the grid, again tap on this plus icon and scroll down and tap on grid. And here you can see the grid has been enabled. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.